What's good, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Auto Review. I am Floyd. So today we're here at Joburg South We Buy Cars. We're gonna be looking for cars that I think they are still nice. So if you are new into this channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. Without any further ado, Aspangen.
Oh man, when you're talking about proper stuff, BMW is always there. This thing is massive, man. Just look at that front grille. Damn. So this is the 2023 BMW X3. So it is going for 539,900, and I'm looking to pay 10,119 per month. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. It has 87,890 kilometers on the clock, and also you're also getting a Tekra sticker right there. Yeah, man, this car it is new. Uh, as you can see, even this side, man, didn't see any scratches, any dent. It is still new. Even the tires, even the rims, this, I haven't seen any scratches. The brake pads are still okay. Yeah, man. You're also getting your tinted windows. Um, your panoramic sunroof there. Hmm. Just look at those pipes. Damn. Yeah, this car it is on, on, on. This car it is on. Hmm. On, man. What do you think about this car? What do you think about this BMW? Comment down below what you think about that BMW. So right here we're having a 2021 Audi Q3. Oh man, this car it is beautiful, as you can see there. It has a big grill there to cool your engine. I think there's a space there. Yeah, there's a space. There's a space to cool your engine there. Just look at the front. Just look. Let me show you. Damn. So this is the 2021 Audi Q3. Going for 467,900, and I'm looking to pay 8,760 per month. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. It has 86,000 kilometers on the clock, and it has a Tekra stick right there, meaning you're ready to go. Yeah, man. One thing about Audi is that if you don't service your car, or you don't change your brake pads, it will show you frames. Just look at this brake pad. Just look. Even here at the back, the brake pad it is burning. Here at the back, too much here at the back, as you can see there. But this hatchback it is beautiful, man. I love this sports thing. You see, sports grill. It is beautiful, man. You're also getting your sunroof there, as you can see. Uh, your windows are tinted. You also have your leather seats inside there. Your automatic transmission. Your display there. Your steering wheel wrapped with rubber. Yeah, man. This car it is beautiful. Proper stuff. Proper. Yeah, let's check another car. Let's check another car. Man, this one, there's this thing I don't understand about these Hyundai cars this side. You will find cars from KZN, uh, Durban, Northwest. It seems like those are they don't buy second hand. So right here we're having an Audi. Oh, it's a new what? It's a new arrival. This one. We'll see it next time. We'll see it next time. Let's check what do we have right here. This car was smoking. This car. I was here few minutes back. Oh, it's not logged. Let's check this car. Let's check this car. Let's check this car. How much is this one? Oh, this one is the 2018, uh, 2008 BMW X5, going for 93,900, and it has 230, 110 kilometers on the clock. Aye, this car it is old, man. You see, when you buy this car, you're going to save this a lot. Yeah, you're going to save this car a lot. But its body it is still okay. Buying a second-hand BMW, man, you have to check what you call service book, because hey, I will cry, my brother. You will cry. So it also has a tow hitch there at the back, as you can see. Two exhaust pipes, even a massive tire there. So let's check inside. So you also getting your automatic windows, your steering wheel with the manual, your automatic there, transmission, your leather seats. Where's the radio? Oh, old one. Hey, you're also getting a rubber steering wheel, which you have to patch there or buy, uh, or wrap it. Yeah, man, the car is still okay, even at the back there. Hey, but this one, my brother, you're going to service a lot. You have to service a lot this year. Hey, but it is still okay. It is still okay. It is still okay. Yeah, let's check another car. Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one? Let's check this VX Toyota. Hey, yeah, let's jump. Let's jump. Let's jump. Last time I posted this car. If you've been looking at my videos, I've posted this car, and it is still on, and the price is decreasing bit by bit. Price it is decreasing. So yeah, guys, if you have been subscribing to the channel, please do so, so that I can have that courage to do more videos. And yeah, let's check. Um, let's check. Where? I really love this Toyota, man. You know, this Toyota, it is beautiful, but let's pass. Ah, yeah, massive things, Bavana. Let's check Aval. Let's check. This one is 330. How much is this one? Yeah, this one is going online. That one. Kia. Let's check Kia. Yeah. So this is the 2023 Kia. As you can see there, it is beautiful, man. It is beautiful. As you can see, yeah, man. This car it is still on. As you can see, I love this grill. You see, I love this grill. Kunembobo, no? Oh, it is. Okay, I love this grill. Even you also having your long headlight there. Oh, your tire there with brake pads, they are still okay. This Kia is going for 277,900, and you're looking to pay 5,385 per month. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. It has 21,900 on the clock, and also getting a diagnostic right there. As you can see, let's do a round. Even all your windows are tinted, as you can see there. Um, Please comment down below. What is this? Even your roof there is tinted. We love this black special, black and white. It is beautiful, man. It is beautiful. It is beautiful, man. Even this side, it is beautiful. Didn't see any scratches, any dent. The car it is still okay. Off-road boys, off-road boys. Jeepies. Off-road. Let's check. Let's check one. Let's check one. Let's check this one. Let's check this one. Oh. Yeah, this car it is beautiful, man. It is. Hey, hey, hey. Imbidating. It is ugly. Oh. So this is the what you call it, 2026 Jeep. Is going for 250,900, and we're looking to pay 4,866 per month. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. It has 145 kilometers on the clock, and also a diagnostic right there. So this thing it is a steal or what? Yeah, it is a steal, man. It is a steal. You have your nets right there, as you can see. Ah, you have your cooler right there, so that the engine can be cool. You have a massive tire right there. This thing it is ugly. Oh, ah, this thing it is ugly. Uh-huh. It is locked. This one it is locked. But even the interior, Bafana, this thing it is ugly. But people buy this type of cars, you see. So you also have your toy right there, a Jeep badge right there. Where is the cap to close this thing now? Hey, where is it? Yeah, man, the car it is beautiful, beautiful. You have your steps there, steps or what, so that you can climb. But yeah, man, the car it is beautiful. It seems like it was leaking. You see, when you purchase this car, man, you need to do a major service. Just look at the spring. You need to do a major service when you buy this car. But anyway, I saw this Haval. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This Haval it is on, on. Just look at this thing, Bafana. Shoot! Just look at this thing, Bafana. Yo! Nah, man, this thing is beautiful. Ah, on. So this is the 2023 Haval, going for 476,900, and it's a category A, meaning you can finance the car. So you're going to pay 8,922. It has at 1,300 kilometers on the clock. So tell me, guys, why do people sell Haval Omota, Omota what? Uh, when they are less than 50,000 kilometers on the clock? What is the reason? But this car it is beautiful, man.